Hello, this is to add user tag on your EasyViz lock. So first of all, you need to download EasyViz apps. So here I am already connected to my device. So on EasyViz apps, you will choose your device and then go to user management and then add user. So I will name my user as user number 2. Next, save. So you will hear a prompt message in your lock. So I will add my tag now. Go to proximity card and then add proximity card. So I will just swipe my proximity card and then prompt message will sound. Then we will try now the tag. The door will be open. Should be. Thank you.